Chase UK has decided to block crypto payments citing fraud. And so in this video, we look at why this bank is declining any customer attempts to make payments that are related to crypto. Let's dive in. Today's episode is sponsored by Cake Wallet, where you can send, receive, and even exchange your crypto right from within the wallet. Cake Wallet is open source and non-custodial, so you control your own private keys. Available today on iOS, macOS, Android, and Linux. Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris Kenyon. Welcome back to another episode of Enter Crypto. This is the channel where every single day I keep you informed and fully up to date on all things going on in the cryptoverse. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then like, subscribe, and click on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any future updates. Everything I release is time sensitive, so make sure you do that, guys. Now, today we're going to be talking about a bank in the UK called Chase UK. These are actually a bank that I've heard of Chase in the US. I didn't know they were operating in the UK. I'm actually English, so I know that this is not a bank that most people in the UK will have heard of. As far as just sort of your average person uses, we have maybe 6 or 7 banks in the UK, and this isn't one of them. For your average person, anyway. I mean, they may be focused more on towards business customers or commercial banking. But anyway, let's jump into the article. We'll quickly read it as always, and then we'll comment after. So, banking giant Chase is banning crypto-linked payments via debit card or by outgoing bank transfer for UK clients. This is starting on October the 16th, according to an email to customers. If we think you're making a payment related to crypto assets, we'll decline it, the email said, adding that customers are free to use a different bank or provider to invest in crypto. However, finding a crypto-friendly bank in the country may not be the easiest thing, as UK credit institutions have a history of blocking or limiting customer access to crypto. The local financial watchdog, the FCA, recently said it had facilitated discussions between banks and crypto firms because lenders have shown a reluctance to offer services to that industry. In the email reviewed by CoinDesk, Chase said it was banning crypto payments because fraudsters are increasingly using crypto assets to steal large sums of money from people. A reason cited by other UK banks that have previously imposed similar limitations. We're committed to helping keep our customers' money safe and secure. We've seen an increase in the number of crypto scams targeting UK consumers, so we have taken the decision to prevent the purchase of crypto assets on a Chase debit card or by transferring money to a crypto site from a Chase account, a spokesperson for Chase UK said in an email. Now, how many times have we heard this? This is maybe the 5th or 6th bank to now say that they're going to be, either restricting, and NatWest was kind of always saying it was going to restrict the amount that people could spend on crypto. Chase is now saying that they're going to completely decline it. Santander have said it in the past that they're going to limit or certain ones and decline if it goes to a crypto exchange. The banks really, and I mean, they have the gumption here, they have the gall to actually say, if you don't like it, go somewhere else. Banks are so cocksure of themselves now. They've got so cocky that they think that they have almost no competition anymore. They're like, if you don't like it, just go somewhere else. There's not many businesses that would have that attitude in the, outside of the banking system. Most businesses want to keep, Amazon you don't hear Amazon saying, well, if you don't like it, go somewhere else, go shop somewhere else. They are very competitive outside of the banking world. Normal business is super competitive, and they will never say something like that. Just go somewhere else. They want to bend over backwards to get your business, and banks should be too. But because they've become so big, as we say in the UK, they're too big to fail. They start making statements like this. And what they should actually be doing is focusing on if there are fraudulent transactions, which there will be, or scam transactions that are happening that are to do with crypto, going either from or to an account, a legacy banking account, we call it a current account in the UK, then investigate it, decline those transactions. But don't just block the entire sector. It's so lazy to just block the whole and just say, right, well, we're not dealing with crypto anymore. And if our customers don't like it, get lost. That is such bad, it's such a poor attitude to have. And I hope that, Chase UK's customers notice this and say, well, that's really rubbish. Let's go somewhere else. We'll take our business somewhere else. because the banks should suffer when they make statements like this. It's not okay to say it's things, you know, to be not non-competitive in business. The customer loses, you know, when everybody's competing with each other, when businesses are fighting for your custom. You win as a consumer. You know, you get a better service because they want to. They're both, you know, obviously competing for your money. So this is, this is typical. It doesn't even surprise me. Like I said, this is the 5th or 6th bank, and there'll be more. So let's just wait and see who is the next bank to come out with something like this. So that's what I've got for you today, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to smash the like button if you feel you got some value from this video, and I'll see you all tomorrow evening. Take care.